Teachers, this video would be a help to create zip files, or as to how we can bundle or zip the multiple files into one zip file and then email those files also. First of all, we need to download the software. The software we have selected is WinZip software. Both for iOS and Android, it is available in Play Store and App Store as well. Once you have downloaded the app, actually I'll show you the icon. This video is for iOS user. I'll be making another video for the Android users also. You will type WinZip and this kind of icon is there. Yes, this is the icon. It is blue for the iOS user and it is orange for the Android user. Once you have downloaded it, you can open it and then click allow. OK, you need to click and allow for every notification pop up, right? And then you need to scroll this window to left, right to left, and there is an option try free. You need to click on this option, try free option, and now you will be getting this page or window. Now this is your home screen. On the left side there is a home button, bottom left corner, and the right side there is settings. तो आपको सिर्फ you need to concentrate on left and the two sections. There are two sections. One is local, another one is cloud. तो हमको local पे ही देखना है, क्योंकि the files which would be sent to you by the students, they would be downloaded into your photos. क्योंकि वो we would be we need to tell the students to click the photos of their answer sheets and then rename the file. I would be making another video as to how they can rename the files and in what format. उसके बाद they would be asked to mail the files in the attachment, right? And then you have to download those files and those would be downloaded in your photos. या फिर कोई भी आपका in case of iOS user, it would be downloaded in the photos. Photos में गए आप, you want to actually select those files and zip those files. So you need to go to photos. Now let's say आपके पास ये folders हैं आपके recently added. Suppose this is the folder where you have downloaded the files. Now you need to select the multiple, maybe like if there are let's say 100 students in a class, and this then every student would be actually the length of the question, the answer sheet would be such that they would be writing their answers in not more than 3 pages, I suppose. So अगर उनकी हर एक की 3 पिक्चर्स हैं, ठीक है, फॉर 100 स्टूडेंट हर एक पिक्चर का जो साइज़ है दैट वुड बी अराउंड एट द मैक्स 1 MB. So it would be around 300 MB for every class maximum. So at one point in time we'll be taking test of only one class. Thus we'll be requiring space, at the max it would be around 500 MBs. So you need to have 500 MBs in your phone, जो आपके पास स्टोरेज अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, आपको करना क्या है, आपने डाउनलोड कर लिया इसको. सो यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट द मल्टीपल फाइल्स टू जिप. तो यू नीड टू गो टू योर यू नीड टू सी इट मोर क्लोजली. एक्चुअली इट इज़ नॉट विजिबल, ये क्लियरली विजिबल नहीं है. जहाँ बैटरी का साइन है वहाँ नीचे उसके एक राइट साइड पे टॉप राइट कॉर्नर में एक आइकन बना हुआ है. यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट आइकन. आफ्टर you click on that icon, you'll be getting check boxes or check circles. alongside the files to the right of files. Select those files which you want to zip. Suppose आपने ये select किया है ना, and then click on more and then click on zip. Then now wait for 2 to 3 seconds, then click on try free. You will be getting ads. Click on close. Now you will be getting this window, my files. Now this is your window where this is your destination window where you want to store these your files. Now there you will be getting two options, new folder and zip here. Now you need to click on new folder. Suppose you want to create this for class 10th. So I mean the file name or the folder name has to be, the format has to be same for all. Because the people who would be receiving these mails, so that they don't have any confusion. Format क्या होगा? PT1 ENG, PT1 subject and then your class, right? Suppose this is for class 10th and then the folder has been created, PT1 English 10th. Now you need to go inside this folder. Now click on zip here. Now these files would be for जो आपने फाइल सेलेक्ट किए हैं, these files would be of same student. तो here you would write the name of the student. Suppose Aman, class 10th. Okay. You need to do this for all the students because आपने वो फाइल डाउनलोड किए हैं, 3 फाइल होंगी या 2 फाइल्स होंगी, तो you need to do it for every student. Now you can go back, you can click on done and then you can click on the home button, right? When you click on the home button you will be getting to the home window. आप अपने destination folder को check कर सकते हो. You can click on my files. You see you will be getting PT1 English. इसके अंदर आपकी aman x.zip. This is for one student. Now you want to make more files for all the students. For now you can click on photographs. You can click on recently added where the files had been stored. Now you click on this top right. You'll be able to select multiple files. Now you have checked these files. Now you can again click on more and then click on zip. Wait for some time. Now try free, click on try free. You'll be getting add and cross this ad. Now you'll be again getting this screen, my files. ये folder फिर से आ गया. Now the option is zip here. You can zip this here. Now this is for another student. You can write Raman. Okay. This way you can make zip files for multiple students. Done. Back. You have reached the home page. Now you can see my files. इसके अंदर आपके 2 स्टूडेंट्स की फाइल्स हैं, इनके आंसर शीट्स. नाउ दिस इज हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट द फाइल्स फर्स्ट. नाउ यू वांट टू मेल दीज फाइल्स. दिस इज अ ड्रॉप डाउन हेयर. इस ड्रॉप डाउन को आप क्लिक करोगे, यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑप्शंस ऑफ ईमेल, एनक्रिप्ट मेल. तो ईमेल पे यू कैन क्लिक ऑन ईमेल एंड देन वेट फॉर सम टाइम. आपको फिर से ट्राई फ्री की ऑप्शन आएगी. यू कैन गो, यू विल बी गेटिंग एड्स. क्लोज करो उसको and then the subject has to be clear and same it has to be like PT1 ENG and class 10th class name, right? And DPH Jakdi you have to mail.